Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.fx market analysis. We're going to start reviewing yesterday's trade. If you remember, we had an Euro JPY long and a Euro USD long. The Euro USD was taken during the call. It didn't react to our demand zone, it went straight to our stop loss, cost of doing business, so that result was minus 1R. And then the Euro JPY long order executed overnight and it went straight to our TP. So we are that trade gave us 2 Rs. So overall we are plus 1R for the week. Okay, so let's move on to today's analysis. I already did a little bit of the work here. We have Euro news at 11 and the Euro news are all related to inflation and CPI, or everything is about inflation, so that is expected to generate some interesting volatility in Euro pairs. And then at 4 p.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI from the States, also another interesting volatility injection. Okay, so moving on to the heat maps, we can see that our relative strength analysis is basically based mainly of USD and CAD being the strongest and JPY and CD being the weakest. So we're gonna be looking for longing USD against JPY, shorting NSD against USD, or longing CAD against JPY, shorting NCD CAD. Regarding the dollar, this is my analysis, right? Short-term bullish with break of structure. The monthly, I assume, is the monthly pullback before an FP to come weak and throw the dollar to the underworld. Okay, so we've taken the H1 high and the H4 high, which can be a signal that we're gonna be going a little more to the upside before melting at the end of the week. That leaves us with a USD JPY long order right here. These are the inputs. Take a screen cap, or if you want already to set your orders. And the NCD USD short is this one. Also interesting, both are pretty solid trades, high probability trades. Now let's check the CAD crosses, right? Let's check the CAD crosses right now. CAD JPY first. Let's see, we are looking to long this pair, right? Okay, monthly bullish, kind of sideways price action, but looks bullish on the weekly. Definitely bullish on the daily. Definitely bullish on the daily. Currently in a daily supply zone, right here. All right, let's move on to 16 hours. Definitely bullish. Let's put this one right here. On the 16-hour, next clear supply zone and quality supply zone is right here. Currently in this one, that it will close above. If we don't see any rejection from here, that's a very bullish sign. 4 hours. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this was a little bit refined, but anyway, doesn't look like it's gonna be reacting to this one. This was mitigated right here, so yeah, looking pretty bearish to me. Pretty bullish to me. Let's go to the hourly. That's a very interesting price leg, right? The question is, do we have a discount demand zone to go long from? Remember, we don't buy in premium. We do not buy in premium, okay? And we do have one right here. Boom. Demand right here. Demand, lower time frame demand. Now let's check it how it is actually interesting. Let me change the visibility to all the minutes around there. So we see this in the 30 minutes too. This looks pretty cool. Solid, right? Yeah, pretty solid. Pretty solid. Alright. Yeah, I like it. So let's put our order right here. Wow, it's gonna be some. We have so many orders to trade from. 9 pips. I don't like 9 pips. So let's put a 15 pips. Stop loss here, and a 30 pip take profit right here. Got JPY. So many trades. Many trades on your eyes. Got JPY. Long order. Everything's so interesting. And CAD, NCD CAD. This should be a short. And looks like everything is aligning. Wow. So price just reacted from this supply zone right here. Boom. And now you could expect to price come all the way down here. So we have some interesting price range we can take advantage from, right? What are we expecting now? We're expecting the price to do this and this. All right, so let's go to the hourly. Let's see what we have right here. We have a clear supply zone here, right here. Which we could actually use. Let's see, where are we in terms of price leg? Some sitting on equilibrium. Let's move on to 4 hour. This is ten pips. This is 0.3. I'm not following what this is. Where's that blue thing right here? This one? Here we have a winner trade. There we go. Okay, so All right, no. What is this? I wonder what this one is. 8103. I don't know. Anyway, so our trade would be something like this. No, not all the way up there. 12 pips. That's our trade. 1224. Look, more than enough range we have. So yeah, this is our trade, guys. This is exactly our trade. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Oh, sorry. Boom. NCD CAD. Wow, many trades for today. Many orders at least. NCD CAD short. And let's go to CAD JPY, right? Or we already... No, we haven't checked that yet. Yes, we have. We have? I don't remember doing that. Yeah, CAD JPY, NCD CAD. NCD USD, USD JPY. So we have orders in each of our pairs. Pretty interesting. So guys, that's it for today. 4 orders. You don't need to expose yourself to all of them. If you see one order is triggered, you can, if you want, to delete the most correlated one to it. For example, here we have USD JPY and NCD USD, right? If well, one is a short, the other is the long. In both, we are long in USD, right? So if the USD JPY gets triggered and we don't want to be exposed to NCD USD, we just delete it. Or what you can do is to split the risk. You don't need to be 1 hour exposed to each of these orders, right? You can put half hour to each one of these and half hour to each one of the others, and there you have 1 hour exposure to CAD and 1 hour exposure to USD. So guys, that's it for today. Sorry because I had to interrupt many times. It's my son's birthday, and so yeah, he's turning 5 today, and we're gifting him a Ninja Warrior kit for his room, so he can play all around. All right, guys, stay safe, take care. Remember, stick to your rules, follow your trading plan, and always be an alpha at everything you do. Bye bye.